everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove an item from bundle on Poshmark. If you want to remove the items that you've added on your Poshmark bundle, then the process is quite simple. Start off by open a web browser and type in poshmark.com into the web address bar and search. Also make sure to log into your account. And after you are logged in, go and open up your My Bundles icon at the top right hand corner. It'll then display you with all of the items that you've added on your bundle. To remove a particular item, all you need to do is to click on this little cross icon at the top right hand corner of the item. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to delete an item from the list. You can repeat this step for every other item you'd like to remove, and that is how you can easily delete an added item on your bundle. So that is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.